date back to when Mlambe Health and Social Trust established partnership with primary school teachers. Basically, it's where we place some of the street-connected children in the schools, and we agreed to do review meetings in an essence of understanding what are the challenges and building on those challenges to address the problems that we are facing. So this review meeting was an end of academic year 2018-2019, and basically was just reflecting on the overall performance of children that we pressed into the school, but also the challenges that the teachers faced, the challenges that MhEST faced, but also strategizing our barriers in terms of what do we do next in the 2019-2020 academic year. So from this review meeting, we've all brainstormed our barriers, but also the strategies that we've used before and the strategies that we intend to use. And that has formed a draft action plan that will be shared with us as MhEST, but also the teachers that we're working with within the respective schools, but also to be shared with the district education management office. And then it's going to guide the whole implementation of our activities and coordination in the 2019-2020 academic year.
In fact, a review meeting was done just to come up with the issues concerning these street children, on especially how are their learning progressing in various schools. So the teachers came up with the various strategies which they did in their various schools, like guidance and counseling, assisting the needy children in buying some materials for the school. As the MhEST, as an organization, also came in to support these teachers with various things, like supplying some food to the learners, especially breakfast before they go to school and lunch after school activities. And in addition to that, those learners who are in upper classes were also given some privilege of having a computer lesson with a special teacher, so that they refrain from getting back to the streets and being busy, kept busy with the school activities.
No communication between us and Islam. Njengena kwa wiki hiyo mali za imaya kana mwe uzafusa sana. Ndikufuna mala sawezi. Sawezi. Kuma mwana mwe mwe tete. Eni mwana mwe sondwa nzeni. Amajina. Maya ndimi Kifanya msima kwenda kusamu maza ona zotsatira za mwana wazi. Haya ikunya ka busy. Okay jamwe. Umwira na mwana uja kumufunsa anawo kusura kumwe. Abandi kukwandira kumwana. Mama. Omasana ngo someka na ngumuntu. Mwana wanga kuneka kuyi. Ana maya tena sisi. Kuma ka kuti. Ndebazi.
It was a great experience to have the teachers here, because the happiness that we have had in terms of the excellent performance of the children was just for us, MhEST, but we couldn't know exactly how much effort have the teachers put into, and reflecting into the conversation that we had in the past. It's like most of the teachers were motivated with the session that we had, the first review meeting, and somehow they've been counseling and supporting these children in school. And now that we've had this excellent performance of the children, we felt like this is a very good initiative to invest in. But what we need to do is more of coordination, because even the teachers from themselves, what they feel like is maybe we haven't been coordinating that well. But with the performance of the children means that there is a potential for us to harness our efforts and support these children to access education, but also excel in education. So I think from their perspective on the things that the strategies that they've used to counsel children in school, in a combination with the strategies that we've used to support these children at the resource center, has proved to work. So what is it that we can do more? Who else should we involve in our partnership to make sure that even this goes beyond where these children are integrated in their homes? How do we connect to their parents? How do we connect to other key collaborators? But also, key thing is how do we strengthen the triangle of us as MhEST, the teachers, and then their parents.
This interaction was very good enough, just because various teachers from various schools had a chance to give on feedback on whatever they did to their schools, to improve the progress of the learners and the challenges which they met in various schools. And upon discussing all these, I have benefited a lot because I have quite an experience now of how to tackle with such issues when it can happen in my own school.